Hello there. So how to farm in Hyperliquid using the airdrop technique. So visit the application itself, and here connect your wallet. May it be MetaMask or Wallet Connect supported. And this is the screenshot that you should be seeing. Step number 2, deposit. I have a video about depositing funds, so please check them out. And step number 3, that will be start the farming. Volume based for this one, so Hyperliquid rewards our activity base. So trade frequently, use low leverage to reduce risk, focus on high volume pairs like ETH, BTC, SOL, etc. Now step number 4, check the leaderboard. Go to the leaderboard tab to monitor your airdrop farming rank. Higher activity means higher potential to airdrop share. Stay active weekly, that will be the last step for you guys, so farming is ongoing. So remain active each epoch, and volume consistency and wallet age may influence eligibility. So pro tip, avoid washing trading, it may lead to disqualification. Use test capital or trade with start stops. Join the Hyperliquid Discord or the X or Twitter, formerly known as, for updates.